Bengal, a land of vibrant culture and rich heritage, pulsates with the rhythm of countless festivals. Each festival is a vibrant thread, weaving together the past and the present. From Durga Puja's grand spectacle to the simple joy of Poila Baisakh, Bengal's festive calendar is a testament to its people's deep-rooted traditions. These celebrations are more than just rituals, they are expressions of life itself. They are a celebration of community, family and the human spirit. Among these vibrant celebrations, the Puli festival holds a special place, particularly in rural Bengal. Puli, also known as Paush Parbon, marks the end of the harvest season in Bengal. This festival is a time of great joy and celebration, deeply rooted in the agrarian culture of the region. The festival falls in the month of Paush, mid-December to mid-January, coinciding with the winter solstice. This period is significant as it symbolizes the transition from the old year to the new, bringing hope and renewal. It's a time when the paddy fields, now bare after the harvest, are ready for a new cycle. Farmers prepare the land for the next planting season, reflecting the cycle of life and nature's endless rhythm. The air is filled with the sweet aroma of freshly harvested rice, and the mood is one of joy and gratitude. Families come together to celebrate their hard work and the bounty of the land. The festival gets its name from its culinary stars: Piths, rice-based delicacies, and Puli, a type of rice ball. These treats are lovingly prepared by families, often involving the entire community in the process. These traditional treats, made with freshly harvested rice flour, jaggery, coconut and milk, are not just food, they are an integral part of the festival's cultural identity. Each bite carries the essence of the harvest and the love of those who made them. Puli is a reminder of the simple joys of life, the importance of community and the deep connection between food and culture. It is a celebration that honors the past, cherishes the present, and looks forward to the future with hope and gratitude. The heart of Puli lies in its delectable array of pithas, each one a unique blend of flavors and textures that tell a story of tradition and love. These sweet and savory delicacies, made with simple ingredients like rice flour, jaggery and coconut, are a testament to the culinary ingenuity of Bengal. Each ingredient is carefully chosen to create a symphony of taste that is both comforting and exotic. From the crispy golden doodh puli to the melt-in-your-mouth patishapta, each pitha offers a different experience. The doodh puli is fried to perfection, while the patishapta is soft and filled with a sweet coconut mixture. Each pitha is a culinary masterpiece, a work of art that reflects the rich cultural heritage of Bengal. The presentation is as important as the taste, with each pitha carefully plated to highlight its beauty. The process of making pithas is a social affair, with women gathering to share recipes, stories and laughter as they knead, shape and cook these delicacies. It's a time of bonding and celebration, where the kitchen becomes a hub of activity and joy. The air during Puli is thick with the aroma of jaggery, coconut and rice flour, instantly transporting you to a world of warmth and tradition. The scent is inviting, promising a taste that is both familiar and new. The taste of these freshly made pithas, often served with kheer or nolan gur syrup, is a sensory experience that lingers long after the festival is over. Each bite is a journey through time, connecting you to generations of culinary tradition. It's a taste of heritage, a taste of home. Sharing these pithas with family and friends brings a sense of belonging and continuity, making every moment special. Puli is not just about food, it's about community. The festival is a time for families and friends to come together, to celebrate, and to create memories that last a lifetime. The day begins with early morning baths, followed by prayers and offerings to the deities. As the day progresses, the festive spirit takes over and the air is filled with laughter, music and the joyous chatter of people. Traditional games and activities are an integral part of the celebration. From kite flying competitions to boat races, Puli is a time for friendly rivalry and shared joy. As dusk settles in, bonfires are lit, casting a warm glow over the festivities. People gather around these bonfires, sharing stories, singing folk songs and enjoying the simple pleasures of life. It's more than just a festival. Voices from the heart. Pitha Puli is not just a festival, it's an emotion, says Mrs. Sarkar, an elderly woman from a village in rural Bengal. Her eyes twinkle with nostalgia as she reminisces about her childhood Pitha Puli celebrations. It was a time for family, for togetherness. We would eagerly wait for this day, for the Piths, the games and the bonfires. For young and old alike, Pitha Puli holds a special place in their hearts. It's a reminder of their roots, their heritage and the importance of community. In today's fast-paced world, festivals like Pitha Puli are more important than ever, says Mr. Das, a schoolteacher. They remind us of our traditions, our values and the importance of staying connected to our roots. Keeping traditions alive, a shared responsibility. In a world that's rapidly changing, festivals like Pitha Puli serve as a reminder of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage. These traditions, passed down through generations, are not just rituals, they are the threads that hold our communities together. They are a testament to our history, our values and our identity. It's our responsibility to keep these traditions alive, to share them with the next generation, and to ensure that they continue to thrive. By celebrating festivals like Pitha Puli, we are not just indulging in nostalgia, we are actively participating in the preservation of our cultural heritage. A taste of Bengal recipes to tantalize your taste buds. Bengal, a land of rich culture and heritage, is also known for its delectable cuisine that tantalizes the taste buds with its unique flavors and textures. Ready to bring a taste of Bengal to your kitchen? Let's embark on a culinary journey that will introduce you to some of the most cherished Bengali recipes, perfect for any occasion. Here are two classic Pitha Puli recipes to get you started. Doodh Puli and Patishapta. These traditional sweets are a staple during Bengali festivals and celebrations. These soft, melt-in-your-mouth rice balls, cooked in a creamy milk and jaggery syrup, are a Pitha Puli staple. The combination of the rich, sweet syrup and the delicate texture of the rice balls creates a dessert that is both comforting and indulgent. To make Doodh Puli, you will need the following ingredients: 1 cup rice flour, ½ cup grated coconut, 1 cup milk, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, and ghee for frying. 1. In a bowl, combine rice flour, grated coconut and jaggery. Mix well to ensure the ingredients are evenly distributed. 1. Gradually add milk, kneading until a smooth dough is formed. The dough should be soft, but not sticky. 1. Divide the dough into small portions and shape them into balls. Each ball should be about the size of a walnut. 1. In a saucepan, heat ghee and fry the rice balls until golden brown. This step adds a delightful crunch to the soft rice balls. 1. In another saucepan, heat milk, jaggery and cardamom powder. Stir continuously until the jaggery dissolves completely. 1. Add the fried rice balls to the milk mixture and cook for a few minutes. The rice balls will absorb the flavors of the milk and jaggery, becoming even more delicious. 1. Serve warm, garnished with chopped nuts. This adds a lovely crunch and enhances the overall flavor of the dessert. Next, let's make Patishapta. These thin, crepe-like pancakes filled with a sweet coconut and jaggery filling are a true delight. They are often enjoyed during the winter festival of Push Parban. For Patishapta, you will need 1 cup rice flour, ½ cup grated coconut, 1/4 cup milk, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, and ghee for greasing the pan. 1. In a bowl, combine rice flour and milk, whisking until a smooth batter is formed. The batter should be lump-free and of pouring consistency. 1. In another bowl, combine grated coconut, jaggery and cardamom powder. This will be the filling for the crepes. 1. Heat a non-stick pan and grease it lightly with ghee. This prevents the crepes from sticking and adds a rich flavor. 1. Pour a ladleful of batter onto the pan, swirling it to form a thin crepe. The crepe should be evenly spread and thin. 1. Cook for a minute on each side until lightly golden. The crepe should be soft and pliable. 1. Place a spoonful of the coconut filling on one side of the crepe and fold it over. The filling should be evenly distributed. 1. Serve warm, drizzled with ghee or Nolan Gur syrup. This adds a touch of sweetness and enhances the flavor of the crepes. Join the celebration, share, comment and subscribe. As we celebrate the joy of Pitha Puli, let's take a moment to appreciate the rich cultural tapestry of our world. Share your thoughts on this vibrant festival in the comments below. Have you ever experienced the joy of Pitha Puli? What are your favorite Pitha recipes? Let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such glimpses